got a parade. The boat parade. Kelly's taking movie.
There's steam coming from there.
I'm doing my pageant wave.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, it was an awesome day, weather-wise.
How was fishing?
What did he say? He said, ah, rah, rah, rah.
Laurel Hill.
Yeah, we're still on the boat. Didn't make us fall off yet.
That look. Showing up because you're on the boat.
What?
That look when you were leaving. Here comes the
Oh.
car. Sheriff.
Uh-oh, he's gonna arrest us for taking video of the Turnpike Bridge. Well, he's about 2 hours late, that cop.
Why? The dirt bike rider was still here when we dropped you here. When we left, Bill and I were the last ones out to lock the gate, and a dirt bike rider came up.
Oh, really?
And he was talking to Bill, and I was like, what did he say, Bill? He's like, I couldn't hear him. So, in other words, Bill just yelled at him without even
hearing what he had to
a
say.
word.